Assalamualaikum, I'm Sana. Today I'm gonna tell you about the sensitivity analysis. What is the sensitivity analysis? Sensitivity analysis is initially the type of analysis where you look at the various combination of assumptions in the business scenario, where you want to look at the various combinations and you examine the results. Therefore, in order to examine the profit at the various combination, we will look at the various number of the units sold and the various price points. So I have the setups. I have the setup the very simple financial model, and we have the assumptions. Let's assume this is the coffee. Let's assume this is the coffee store, and we're the selling 1,000 coffee a year, and its price and the price of a coffee is $150. And its cost on of the coffee is the $50, and the fixed costs that are the store rent and the payrolls are the 10,000 and the 50,000. We also have here is our the income statement. In the income statement we have the revenue, that is the 100,000, and cost of goods sold 5 and 50,000, and gross profit is the 100,000, and at the end we are having the operating profit, that is the 40,000. If So I want to analyze our operating profit and look at the different numbers of a unit sold. If I want to change the price. If I want to change the price, I know if I raise the price, I will probably sell the fewer coffee, and if I lower the price, I will probably the sell the more chairs. So I want really the so the what they really is the best combination for the operating profit is. So I have so we're gonna need is to build the sensitivity analysis. Uh, Here's our the sorry um, on the column along the column I have to write the I will write the prices, and on the row I will write the unit sold. Our the current price Our current price is a 150, and the unit sold per year is 1,000, right? And let's assume the prices, and then the unit sold 100, 75, 50. On here we will assume the unit sold in the per year 50. I mean 500, 150. I mean 1500. And now we will here we will write the operating profit, and after that we will use the Microsoft Excel, the what if I mean sensitivity analysis. On the data tab, here what if analysis, and we will go click on the data table, and then we will put the row cell, uh, that is the unit sold, and column cell we will put the information of the price of the price, right? And click OK. So here is the results. If I detect the price, if the price of the per coffee is 200, and I will sell the 500 units, then my profit would be the 1500. If As you can see, uh, on my, on my current price and the unit sold, that is the 150, 50, and the unit sold is 1000. Our the operating profit is the 40,000. And if I assume that my price is the 200 of the coffee price of a coffee is the 200, and I have to sold the 1500 units per year, then our the operating profit is on 165 100,000. And here is a so in this way you will see how you can uh, 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 how would be your the operating profit if you sold if you sold the less unit price or the less unit price, and high on the high prices, and what would be your the operating profit, what would be the in the sensitivity analysis we will see this